So children, today's story is a hungry Tinku bird. Years ago, Tinku the bird lived with his parents and brothers on a tree in the forest. Tinku bird small. Her feathers were very soft. Her mother taught her to chirp to the beat of the bell tower. There was a house near their nest, in which a woman lived who loved birds. That old lady used to put food for Tinku bird and his family every day. One day the old woman fell ill and died. Tinku bird and her entire family depended on her food. Now they had nothing to eat, nor they do anything to get food for themselves. One day, Tinku bird's father feeling hungry, so he decided to hunt insects. After a lot of hard work, he got 3 insects, which were not enough for the family. There were 5 people, so he kept insects on the side to feed Tinku and her 2 younger brothers. While wandering in search of food, Tinku, her brother, and her mother pecked at the window of a house. They did not find anything. Instead, the owner of the house threw brown ash on all 3 of them, due to which the color of all 3 turned brown. After a lot of searching, Tinku's father found such a place, where there were a lot of insects, due to which he arranged food for them for several days. When he reached home happily, he found no one there. He became very upset. Then Tinku bird, her brother and mother returned home. So father couldn't recognize them, and in anger he drove everyone away. But Tinku tried hard to convince her father. He repeatedly told that someone had thrown color on him, but he only got failure. Her mother and brother also became disappointed. But Tinku did not give up. Their mother took them to the pond and removed everyone's ashes. All 3 are now back in their old form. Tinku's father also recognized them and apologized. Now everyone will live together happily. There was no shortage of food. From this story, we learn that one should never be completely dependent on someone, and one should work hard to get what one needs.